Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add certification on your Fiverr profile. This is a great way to showcase your professional qualifications and build trust with potential clients who are browsing your services. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main Fiverr dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your seller profile. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where all your information, gigs, and credentials are displayed to potential buyers. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down to the bottom. This is where Fiverr keeps various sections of your professional information organized. As you scroll, you'll notice different sections like your gigs, reviews, and other details. Keep scrolling until you find the certifications section. This is the area specifically designed for displaying your professional credentials and achievements. In the certifications section, you'll see an option that says Add Certifications with a plus sign next to it. Click on this button. A form will appear where you can input all the relevant details about your certification or award. This is your opportunity to highlight any professional achievements that set you apart from other sellers. In the first field, enter the name of your certificate or award. Be specific and accurate here, as this information will be visible to anyone viewing your profile. Next, in the following field, enter the organization or institution where you received this certification from. This could be a university, professional organization, or training provider. After that, you'll need to select the year you received this certification. Click on the drop-down menu and choose the appropriate year from the list. This helps potential clients understand how current your qualifications are. Finally, once you've filled in all the required information, click the Add button. Your certification will now be saved and displayed on your profile for potential clients to see. And that's it. You've successfully added a certification to your Fiverr profile, making it more credible and attractive to potential buyers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.